When Christmas Eve gets here, we know it's time to put out cookies and milk for Santa, but you may want to leave him something special. And Howard, Mr. Food Test Kitchen, shares with us Mrs. Claus's favorite recipe for these tasty treats.
We're combining two of Mrs. Claus's holiday favorites, gingerbread and eggnog, into one incredible cookie cup. We start by preparing a package of gingerbread cookie and cake mix according to the package directions and rolling them into balls. Then we place each ball in a muffin cup and press them down gently before baking them. As soon as they come out of the oven, using a shot glass or the handle of a wooden spoon, we create a well in the center of each one before popping them back into the oven. After they finish baking, we press the center down again and let them cool while we whip up a fluffy eggnog cream to fill them with. Not only are these super tasty, they're also so much fun. As a matter of fact, rumor has it that Mrs. Claus makes these for Santa and all the elves right before they head out on Christmas Eve. To get the recipe for what we call Mrs. Claus's Holiday Cookie Cups, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a ho-ho-ho kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That does look pretty tasty. And of course, if you're interested, you can find this recipe along with a lot more great food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you need to do, go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.